First at 4, Thomas Creech, the man set to be executed next month, is now requesting a new clemency hearing to challenge allegations that he killed a man in the state of California in 1974.
And Creech's attorneys say that the family of Daniel Walker is also in favor of the hearing to answer any lingering questions about whether Creech is really the man who murdered their relative.
Creech's legal team says that he had little to no time to address the allegation that came out in court shortly before the previous execution attempts for Creech.
And Creech's attorneys say that the detectives on the Walker case ultimately ruled Creech out as a suspect.
Mr. Creech also wants another hearing to address whether it would be cruel and dangerous to try and execute him again with the same medical team that was unable to carry out the last execution. Creech is set to be executed coming up next month on November 13th. And speaking of Thomas Creech, a group that has labeled themselves Idahoans Against the Death Penalty has launched a new website, campaign, and announced events in this week to talk about the Creech execution. The website features several options for Idahoans to register opposition to execution. You can do things like sign a petition, send a letter to the governor. Up to Creech's execution, the group says they will hold public education events, including speakers advocating against the death penalty. Dave Powell, who is with the group, says that despite where you stand on the issue, as a state, they believe that we should avoid spending $1 million on a firing squad facility and should use that money to instead help victims.